TeamViewer Plus VNC feature can remote connection. 01 Software. Use of VNC. Firstly, make sure the network is connected successfully and remember the IP address. In Tool, click App Manager. Install VNC. In Tool, open Remote Control and click Local Network VNC. Enter and click Start. Click on the VNC software on your computer. Select New Connection and File. Enter the IP address of the board. Double-click on it. Next, open TeamViewer. User downloads and installs TeamViewer on both computers. Add the TeamViewer ID of the console. After the console clicks Connect, the console clicks Show Screen. You need to click the arrow to control the mouse. You can control the mouse remotely from the console.